Everyone, in this part of the video I will give some differentiate question answers from chapter number 13 for class 7 students. So our first differentiate is differentiate between desert climate and Mediterranean climate. So in the desert climate you will write it is found over the western plateau. It consists of three deserts: the sandy desert in the northwest, the Victorian desert to the north of the Great Australian Bight, and the Gibson Desert in the center. This region has hot summers and cool winters and very little rain throughout the year. In the Mediterranean climate, you will write this type of climate is found in the southern part of the Australian continent. This type of climate is characterized by hot and dry summers and cold and wet winters. During the winter, the winds blow from the sea and bring plenty of rain. During the summers, the dry winds blow from the land. Second differentiate is echidna and platypus. So the first one in echidna you will write echidna is a primitive mammal. A young echidna is called puggle. They are born blind and hairless and consume milk from a gland within the pouch. The puggle develops sharp spines and leaves the mother's pouch after 4 weeks. In platypus, you will write platypus has a duck-like bill and webbed feet. It has a broad, flat tail covered with dense waterproof fur, which provides excellent thermal insulation. Though it is a mammal, it lays eggs. The next one, kangaroos and koala bear. So in kangaroos you will write kangaroos are the largest living marsupials in the world and are found only in Australia and in parts of Papua New Guinea. The Australian coat of arms has a kangaroo and emu holding a shield with symbols representing the 6 states. In koala bear you will write the koala bear is another marsupial which is not a bear. In reality, it has a large head, hairy ears, a large nose, and thick, woolly grayish-white fur. The next differentiate is tropical vegetation and desert vegetation. So, in tropical vegetation, you will write the tropical forests are found in the north and northeastern parts of Australia. The vegetation consists of typical deciduous forests such as palm, eucalyptus, and bamboo, which are found in plenty. In the desert vegetation, you will write desert or semi-desert vegetation has adopted its surroundings. The type of vegetation comprises of thorny bushes such as acacia, blue bush, etc. So these are all the differentiate question answers from chapter number 13.